Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something that is starting to roll out and being tested uh, in the United States for now, and eventually will expand to other countries, is something that could be useful, and it has to do with Copilot. Copilot will have a mode called PC Insight, and the PC Insight mode is going to be used in order to look at your system, and you'll be able to ask questions. Like, for example, right now, I just asked, what's my CPU usage? Copilot says your computer's current CPU usage can be read directly by me. And this is because PC Insight is not there. But those that have PC Insight added to Copilot, well, changes the whole thing. You can ask it questions about what slows down my PC. What's my PC usage, my CPU usage? How much RAM memory am I using? What app uses the most RAM? And you'll be able to ask tons of questions about it. So basically, this would be a pretty interesting feature for Copilot because you'd be able to, ask it all sorts of things. You can even ask it, is my antivirus working and so on. So this would be a good way to learn more about your PC and maybe have something, an assistant help, especially, a lot of people that are on this channel are in general different than people that are, in the average population with PCs and often know a lot about the tools that you can use to check out, PC performance and so on. But for the average user, I think this could be an interesting way to make it easy to ask, why is my PC so slow? And have a direct answer by looking at, the RAM and looking at the usage in the task manager and so on. It could technically answer, well, this is the reason you don't have enough RAM, or because this app or that app are actually hogging the CPU, or that could be very interesting to have an easy way to learn about it. So it's starting to roll out right now in the U.S. Most people probably don't have it, and if you are and still have the Copilot on your PC, well, why not ask it a question and see if you've got it there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.